Year 10 Algebra Example 1 Presenter Jojo Example 1 Simplify the questions below. A. 8a over 9 take away 2a over 9. Because the denominator is the same, so I only subtract the numerator. Get 6a over 9. 6 and 9 have the common factor of 3. I cancel the 3. The final result is 2a over 3. B. 8a over 9 plus 2a over 9. I keep the denominator 9, add the numerator to get 10a. Because 10 is greater than 9, I write it as mixed numeral. It's 1 and 1a over 9. And I omit the 1 in front of the a. I get the final result of 1 and a over 9. C. A over 4 minus a over 12. 4 and 12 are not the same because 4 going to 12 3 times. So the lowest common denominator is 12. 4 need to multiply 3 to make 12, and a need to multiply 3 as well. So I get 3a over 4 multiplying 3 minus a over 12. 3a minus a get 2a. So I write 2a over 12 because numerator 2 and denominator 12 have the common factor of 2, and I simplify it to divide the 2 from numerator and denominator. The final result is a over 6. D. A over 4 plus a over 12. The same as example C, because 4 and 12 are not the same, I need to make the lowest common denominator, because 4 going to 12 3 times. The lowest common denominator is 12. So I change the first fraction into denominator 12. I multiply 3 on the numerator and denominator. I get 3a over 4 multiplying 3 plus a over 12. So 3a plus a give 4a. I write 4a over 12. Now I have to simplify it. 4 going to 12 3 times. So I divide 4 from numerator and denominator. I get a over 3. E. 8a over 9 multiplying 3a over 4. The first stage is to simplify the fraction. I write 8a multiplying 3a on the numerator. I write 9 multiplying 4 on the denominator. Because 4 going to 8 2 times, I write 2 on top of 8. And 3 going to 9 3 times, I write 3 under 9. A multiplying a get a squared. So the final result is 2a squared over 3. F. 8a over 9 divide 2a over 9. To divide a fraction, we need to multiply the reciprocal. So I write 8a over 9 multiplying 9 over 2a. 9 cancelled. And because 2 going to 8 4 times, so I write 4 on top of 8. And a in the numerator and denominator is cancelled. So the final result is 4. G. 125 to the power of x divide 25 to the power of 2 minus 3x. This question looks complex, but if you're going to apply index law, it will be very easy. Because 125 is 5 to the power of 3, and 25 is 5 to the power of 2. So I rewrite the question as 5 to the power of 3 bracket to the power of x, divide, bracket, 5 to the power of 2, bracket, to the power of 2 minus 3x. Now, I use the power multiplication rule to expand the bracket. I get 5 to the power of 3x, divide 5 to the power of 2 times 2 give you 4, 2 times 3 give you 6. So 5 to the power of 4 minus 6. Now I can apply the index law, the division one. So I keep the base 5. I write the power of 3x minus, bracket, 4 minus 6x, bracket. So expand the bracket. The index part is going to be 3x minus 4 plus 6x. 3x plus 6x is 9x. So the final result is 5 to the power of 9x minus 4. H. 15 multiplying x to the power of 5, multiplying bracket, x to the power of 4, bracket, to the power of 3, over, bracket, 5x, bracket, to the power of 0, multiplying 25 x to the power of 10. When we look at this complex fraction, including a lot of x powers, the first thing we consider is to simplify it. We need to use the multiplication rule for the index law to process x to the power of 4, bracket, to the power of 3 first. Because 3 times 4 give you 12, so that part is going to be x to the power of 12. So I copy down 15x to the power of 5, multiplying x to the power of 12. 0 index will give you 1. So 5x, bracket, to the power of 0 will be 1. And that 1 multiplying 25x to the power of 10, the result is 25x to the power of 10. Now this version looks better. Now we look at the common factor. 15 is 3 times 5. 25 is 5 times 5. So I can cancel the common factor 5. I get 3 over 5. And the power of x in the numerator is 5 plus 12. Because there is another x to the power of 10 in the denominator, I need to take away the 10. So I write x to the power of 5 plus 12 minus 10 together on top. The final result will be 3x to the power of 7 over 5. I. If 4 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 16, how much is x? See, this is a solving equation question. The basic method we're going to use is called equating method. Because 16 is 4 to the power of 2, so I rewrite the equation as 4 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 4 to the power of 2. Because the left-hand side equals the right-hand side, and they both have the base 4, so the indices part are equal. So I get 2x minus 1 equals to 2. And I move the negative 1 to the right. So 2 plus the 1 equals 3, because you move the number from the left to right, you change the sign. So 2x equals 3. Divide 2 from both sides. We get x equals 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So when we look at example 1, there are these questions including algebra addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the basic application of the index laws. That is example 1 of chapter 1. Good luck with your studying.